Hey everyone, Deep here. In this video I'm going to review about this mouse. Yeah. Zebronics USB optical mouse Sprint. Okay, so just got this mouse today and I don't know about how it will perform or not, but this is from Zebronics. I really don't trust this brand. It's a local Chinese brand. So it has a compact design, high precision, 1200 dpi, and a cable length of, if you can see, it's I think it's 1.2 maybe. Let's see. Yeah, it's written 1.2 meters. So brand ambassador of Zebronics, and this is the mouse. And on this side the same information is given, and this is a seal, and this is another seal over here, and this is the information that you get on the mouse. So important and marketed by Zebronics India Private Limited, address Zebronics mouse. So this is the information given, and the manufacturing is on 7, that is July 2022, important on August 2022. So inside the box you get, I don't know what we get. I've already got the mouse. So this is the packet I got, and another thing there was, maybe this one, I think. Yeah, this is the information you get. You can read through all these things, get all this stuff right over here. So this is the information you get inside this box. So I just got this mouse because I needed a mouse in an emergency. So how much this costed me, I will tell the end of the video, so stick around and let's see how this mouse is performing. So here's the box, here it is, and here's the mouse. So you can see the mouse, zoom in, see the mouse over here. It's the warranty. If you take this out, then your warranty is null and void, and it's written Zebronics Sprint. And here it is, the surface. And if I touch this, then the mouse will move. I don't know where it is. So let's keep it here, and here we go. It's the mouse, and this is the scroll wheel, normal mouse. Just the left click and the right click. Okay, so the speed of this mouse, let's see. Here it is. Speed, it's smooth. It's not bad. It's smooth. It's all right. It's better than Frontech. To be honest, I had a Frontech mouse before this. It's much better than that. The precision is also good. So yeah, it's working fine. So you can go for it. The price of this mouse, if you try in the local market, you'll get this mouse around 200 rupees, Indian rupees. And if you go for Amazon or Flipkart, they will demand 250. And I searched Flipkart after buying this. They were telling 229, so it's quite expensive. So what's written in the box, the price written over here is around maybe 249. Yeah, so they gave me around 49 rupees of discount on this mouse. So yeah, that's good. So this is all I had for this video. Thanks for watching this video. See you all next time in another video. Till then, goodbye and peace, and take care.